What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick, this is Motorsports, and today we're with my friend Kawah, known as Kawabunga on Instagram.
Hey, this is my Mark 7 GTI. We're looking to do a clutch install for an upcoming turbo upgrade. And we're looking to install some parts along the way. The two that include today are 034 Motorsports density line engine mounts, and there will be the 034 Motorsports billet rear main seal. So replacing the original motor mounts, which have about 97,000 miles on them. 96 of them are tuned. So we chose 034 Motorsports density line motor mounts to have that OEM plus feel. They're a little bit stronger in the durometer, and they definitely will hold up to the tune, so we're hoping that's going to last a little bit longer than the OEM mounts, but also have a more engaging feel when driving. So also, while we're in there, we're going to be replacing the rear main seal with the 034 billet rear main seal. It's just one of those things to do while it's done, and with the 034, the billet rear main seal, it's definitely going to be something that we just slap on together. Don't have to worry about that for quite some time.
And here we have our brand new parts laid out. We have our rear billet main seal, we have our two engine mounts, and then we have some brand new bolts there for those mounts. Those are single-use stretch to yield, single-use bolts there. So all of those new parts will be going on in addition to his clutch, which is being done but not filmed in this video. Alright, so here we have his factory driver side engine mount, 96,000 miles on that thing, very loose, very worn out. And then you can see this is the brand new 034 density line engine mount, very firm, no play at all in that bad boy, good to go. And then once again, this is the passenger side engine mount. You can see it's the factory one here, once again 96,000 miles, very worn out. It's very loose, and then we're going to show the brand new 034 one, which has absolutely zero play in it in comparison.
So the 034 Motorsports billet rear main seal was very easy to install. There's no real mess, there's no fuss, no fuss. It goes exactly where it's supposed to go. Other than that, yeah, it was pretty solid, pretty quick and easy. So we just came back from the first test drive, and the results are better than what I expected. First things first, I've always wanted an OEM Plus build with this vehicle, and having that NVH or unnecessary noise inside the vehicle, especially on startup or when driving, couldn't happen. This is a daily vehicle, so it needed to be smooth, it needed to be comfortable. You don't get that with the 034 Motorsports density line motor mounts. The vehicle still feels really engaging. You can definitely feel it feels stiffer, especially with the transition between gears. But overall, the drive is still comfortable, it's still dailyable, there's no rumbling noises or anything like that, and it definitely puts the power down on the ground way better with those exhausted 96,000 miles of straight tuned miles. So yeah, big plus on that. So we had the car up on the lift, and first thing we noticed is there are a lot of different suspension components that need to be replacing. My experience with 034 has been very solid. looks like I'm going to be going that direction to replace all of these parts, especially to keep continuing that OEM Plus drive. I intend to keep this vehicle for as long as possible, so hopefully we get those in this upcoming season. But yeah, big thank you to 034. This was a huge change, very, very helpful, and yeah, thank you guys very much.